catching feelings, baby.
Hey YouTube, so in today's video, I'll be basically showing y'all how I plan and do a protective natural hairstyle on my hair. So hopefully you guys enjoy. This hairstyle, by the way, is cute for summer and going out and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all the process of how I was thinking about it and, you know, like trying to plan for like the style that I actually really wanted, because there were a couple styles that I was thinking about, but I really had to narrow it down to what would really work for me and be practical for me. So hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial type natural hair video. And yeah, don't forget to hit that red button down below, the notification bell, and get on my Instagram so y'all can stay up to date on me. And yeah, let's get into it. Before we get started, I just wanted to go over our goal. So here is my vision board. This is the kind of look we're going for, something cute and practical, easy to do, and protective. Alright, so I'm about to start off with sectioning off my hair.
Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your
products I'll be using today is this coconut oil and shea butter. If you watch my channel a lot, you would know that I always use this. I don't know why, maybe just because it's just, we always have this, but it works really good in my hair. It always helps me detangle my hair. But since I am coming off a protective style and I want a little bit more moisture, I'm also going to be using this hair milk. And I'm also going to be using Murray's Edge Wax. I'm probably going to be using this for like the beginning and the end, just to make sure everything's like laid down. I'm going to be using a little bit. Okay, so while shooting this, I guess my camera got a little bit overexposed, but it will be fixed soon. I think it's like the next clip or 2 clips after this. But yeah, I don't know what happened, but I eventually realized and fixed it.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man.
Alright, so you'll notice a lot that as I'm using the products, I'm always running my hands through it and basically finger detangling, and even just like running my hands over my hair with the product, just to make sure that I'm actually working it into my hair strands and it's not just sitting on my hair. Because when you have like type 4 hair, it's more likely to be lower porosity, meaning that it's harder for your hair to absorb the moisture. So one thing that I really found helpful is using warm water, like in the little spritz bottle, and really trying to work in your natural hair products. I do have more in-depth and detailed videos of how I style my hair on my channel, so if you're interested in watching any of those, I do have a natural hair playlist, so y'all can click on that. But yeah, this video does show a lot, like it shows my technique in finger detangling and parting wise and stuff like that. But yeah, I thought I'd just insert that in here in case you're new to my channel and you're like trying to see if I have more natural hair videos. I do have a playlist, so yeah, I'll make sure to link that above in case anyone is interested.
Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter is true. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve, I want that interference. It's coherent, I can hear it. That's your heartbeat, it either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly, and right before you go blind. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Dark clouds, you won't see me storm. I won't go back. But trust me, I'm gon' hold that. Hold that. They want to eat off my plate. They want to eat off me. When I had my vision, you couldn't see. I'm off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me all of it. Only one people around that's gonna miss me. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that in the back of my head, I did do regular twist. If you're looking for maybe like a actual like detailed tutorial, I do have a video on how I do my natural hair twist. So if you're interested in that, I will try to link that above. This video just shows like how I do it. It doesn't really show like my like detailed technique closely. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll link it above so you can watch that video separately. And yeah. Only one people around that's gonna make me. They ask how I get that. Ooh. You been calling me out. You been stuck in the cloud. I gave you money through the press even when you were just stuck in the house. Through the bus down, charge again on the ground. Look, cover your mouth. Don't stop. Keep going, keep sucking it out. I'm just when it comes to the outside, never leave my bro. Voice out the streets, plus me. Okay, so this is my hair the next day, because I did these last night. And what you guys are seeing here is just the banding method. Basically, you take rubber bands and use them to stretch out your twist. I just do this because it helps with the drying process, and also it keeps your length stretched and your hair stretched. Because after, you know, doing twists and all that, your hair will shrink up a little bit. So, yeah.
Okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some oil for my hair. I'm gonna go in with this Jamaican black castor oil. I'm gonna go in with this only on my edge.
Never turn my back on everything, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flares, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Now I'm gonna go in with this argan oil. I'm gonna go with that in the rest of my hair. Argan oil helps with shine too, so.
Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house on road.
Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. Period. It actually came out really neat. Some parts could have been neater, but it's a protective style, so everything doesn't have to be exact. But yeah, I like how it came out. Looks pretty good to me. And yeah, over time the twists will become more fuller. Right now they're still skinny because of the banding method and the way that I stretched them overnight. But yeah, I think that looks really good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.
They had the counter like lighting it up, nigga. Anybody get it? I'm on a BJ lighting it up, baby. Wood full of sticky. I'm trying to tote that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Yeah, I ride for my nigga.